Looking for a spacious 2-bedroom, 2-bath, plus den, west/2-car garage, freestanding villa in beautiful Glen Lakes? This is it. The 1,692 square foot home has been well cared for with a new tiled roof in 2017 and HVAC replaced in 2014. The Palmwood Expanded Bermuda plan features a huge eat-in kitchen with lots of cabinets and a pantry. Split bedroom plan with high ceilings, separate den, a great room and dining area. The ensuite has dual walk-in closets, a garden tub, step-in shower and dual sinks with several cabinets for all your toiletries. The home offers plenty of natural light and neutral colors and plenty of storage space. Tiled wet areas and Berber carpet has been freshly cleaned for the new owner. Enjoy the gorgeous Florida breeze from the screened front entrance. The exterior yard maintenance is done for you, which makes this the perfect home for the snowbird, retiree or active person who doesn't have time to mess with yard work. Lock and go.Glen Hills Village has its own pool closeby. Enjoy the country club lifestyle with fantastic amenities such as an 18-hole championship golf course, junior Olympic swimming pool, jacuzzi, fitness room, game room, the Grille, tennis, social clubs, computer/library and secure, gated community.Florida's nature coast is just a few-minute drive to hospitals.